Assalamualaikum, my name is Hakim and today's Solidworks lesson I will show you how to do the animation tutorial. Okay, on the right side there are two types of Solidworks material assembly that we're going to animate. Okay, first to get this file, just click here and will be appear on our Solidworks. Then go to this edge and click sharp edges. Okay, before we continue, we're gonna see the file first. Save as my plunger. Okay, next to do the animation, go to the left, bottom left. You can see that motion study. If you guys doesn't have this motion study, just click on this arrow, click view, and then and then select the user interface, and here this motion manager. Okay, now we click motion study. First, in order to do that, just okay. First, before we're going to start the animation, this is the time bar, which is the time that we're going to animate. First, I drag this here to 5 seconds. Oh, before that, we're going to zoom first to make it short. Okay. Next, we locate the arm left. It's at the bottom here, and then we're going to drag the left arm to straight line to vertical like this. And if the key doesn't appear, just click auto. Okay. We're going. Okay, we're going to start first. Okay. The key will appear. Okay. Next, we calculate, and you can see that the part already move on 5 seconds. For that, need to make sure this prevent normal mode. Then, okay. Okay. Next, okay, on the arm left, on the key point here, first we need to copy. Just copy here, click Control, and then click this key and drag to 2 seconds. So, okay. Now we select this arm left key on 0 second. Just copy and then paste it on 9 9.5 seconds, which is here. Okay. Then we calculate again. Okay. Next, we're going to hide this arm left. First, we need to find here. Right click here, and then we select hide. And then do the other part on the right arm, which is here, and then click hide. And you can see that will be hidden. Okay, now we're going to play it. As you can see that the left arm and right arm will be invisible. Okay. Now we're gonna change this base. First, the time bar need to drag on 5 seconds, and then select the base plunger on the tree manager. Then select the appearance. So you click the color blue, then we click OK. Okay. Now you will change the color on 5 seconds. Okay. We start the first. As you can see that you will change the color into color blue. Okay. Next, we click on the plunger and then you will expand and right click the plunger appearance and we need to copy this part. We need to copy and then paste it on 5 seconds, which is here. Okay. Now we need to right click the plunger, then select component display, and then we select on the wireframe. And your plunger will be look like this. There we calculate, and you can see that it will change the appearance into the wireframe. Okay, now on the next part, we're going to animate this plunger hook model. First, to get this Solidworks, just click here, and it will appear here. Then go to motion study 1. You can see that the mate here. Okay, the mate is suppressed. Okay, then we click calculate. You can see that the animation. Okay, now select the motion study tool, but for that we need to change to normal. Okay, in the feature manager, this is feature manager, and the bottom and the lower part is the motion. This is the motion manager. So in the feature manager, just click mate, and then find the distance and edit features. You can see that the distance has been defined as 0 inch, 0 inch. Okay, now click OK twice. And then in the motion tree, double click on the, okay, first, drag the time bar to 5 seconds, this here. Then in the motion manager tree, which is here, double click and you can see that this is part here. Just type 2 inch. Okay. Next on the and then drag this part on 10 seconds, and then we click again and then type 0. Okay, now it becomes like this. Okay, now in the motion manager tree, which is here, right click orientation and camera view, and then verify that disable playback view key and disable key are clear. You keep it and then on the motion manager on the secure change to here. Okay. Now we need to drag the time bar here to 3.5 seconds. Which is here, and then click the front view, and then a new key appears here. Okay. Now we select into the playback mode into the looping. Then we need to calculate. Now we start the animation. Next, play from the start. And after 3.5 seconds, just click the rotate view. Rotate view is the circle on our mouse, right? So on the 3.5 seconds, just press the rolling wheel mouse and then just rotate. Or we can go here and search rotate with view. Okay. Next, we click the stop motion. Then we need to rotate the model again. Now, in the animation key, I verified, and first you keep on rotation camera view. Okay. First, we need to right click on rotation here, and then click on disable playback. And as you can see, it will be turned into gray. Then select the playback of view key. Now we calculate. Now it doesn't rotate because we disable the orientation camera. Now we click rotate view again. And then modify. Then we click view, modify, rotate. Now we click play. Now we're going to right click on the camera view and click disable. Then we keep it internal, then audition key and we will appear. Now right click on the camera view and then click disable view key creation. Which now there are no key creation here. Now we need to drag to the top go over here. Okay, first on this part, select the time bar to 0 and then go to top view and then drag to 10 seconds and select to bottom view. And before them check first. Then we play from the start. Now the animation from the top into the bottom. Okay, okay. That's all for today's video. Today's video. Thank you for watching.